Hi, I'm going to show you how to set the mechanical seal on a Bowpeller pump. So if you received a Bowpeller pump head unit, just attach the adapter to the motor, then take your stub shaft, make sure you take the spacer from the seal kit and go ahead and put that on the stub shaft. The next thing you want to do is you want to put your mechanical seal onto the stub shaft. The next thing is you're going to take the back plate, make sure you've already put your silicon carbide seat in there. Then you're going to see the two grooves here. So you just press down your back plate into the locking grooves, rotate and lock it, and then take your O-ring, go ahead and put this on here into the groove. And then take your impeller, and we're going to set the impeller, and it's going to probably touch the back plate here. So there's no problem with that. Just take that and screw that on all the way. You can use your T-handled screw here, Allen wrench to hold it so you're good and tight on here. And you're going to hear some contact here, but that's going to be fine because once the casing goes on, it's going to push the back plate back and it's going to maintain the proper clearance there. So when you're done with that, let's go ahead and lock the stub shaft on. So just torque the stub shaft. Then what we're going to do, we're going to put the casing on. And when you put the casing on, that's going to compress that back plate, and then you should have the proper clearance inside the pump. So inside every kit that you get, there's two of these. Put them together, and you have the long side here, and push it along the Bowpeller vane, and you should have clearance to slide in there with no problem. That's going to allow the pump to pass air. That's going to tell you everything's set correctly. That's how you do it.